Too late.
Hey guys, it's Hannah Awesome 321 here, and today I'm gonna get someone to burp and fart. Wow. Okay. Here, you'll need some of this. You know what? Let's do a contest. Mom versus Greg.
He'll win.
Burping contest.
Oh, I could win.
Oh yeah, you'll be there.
Bobby, Bobby, I don't you see?
Go.
Pop guzzler.
Try burping. Greg, your turn. I said burping. Wow.
Stinky.
I know, right?
I never burp.
That's not true.
No.
He doesn't.
Well, that's just weird.
It comes up the other end.
Okay. Mom. Mom, burp. Now fart.
Can you fart?
No.
Wow, Mom's such fake.
Thank
Greg, you fart.
I can't fart. I did enough already. Okay.
You gotta wait till his intestines get going. And then he's like,
Well, that was weird.
that was what I was Aaron.
Okay.
Stop
Hope you
stretching.
guys like this video. Bye.